this lesson, I'm going to extend on 6.RP.3 using the same word problem we looked at in part 1. So I'm going to reread the question for us. Mark is using the ratio of 3 tablespoons of sugar to 2 tablespoons of milk in a recipe. Complete the table to show equivalent ratios if Mark decides to increase the recipe. So in part 1, we looked at the ratio table and we filled it in, making each portion equivalent to the last. So now we're going to take our ratio table that's already filled in, and we are going to take the sugar and make it our X value, and the milk and make it our Y value, so that we can create ordered pairs to graph on a coordinate plane. So we're just going to take the X value of 3 and the Y value of 2 and write them in this next column as ordered pairs. So I'm going to fill this in using my X and Y's. I have 6, 4, 12, 8, 18, 12, and 30, 20. So I took my sugar and milk and again created XY values so that we can graph them on our next slide. So now we also have again the XY values written out here. We've labeled our sugar and milk, and we took it into a coordinate plane and we labeled sugar as X and milk as Y. So now we can graph these points. X is 3, Y is 2, so we need to start at the origin 0, 0, and we go to the right 3 places, and then we go up 2. The next one is 6, 4, so we need to start at the origin 0, 0, and we need to go to the right 6 and up 4. Our next value is 12, 8, so we start at the origin 0, 0, we go right 12 and up 8. So the next one is 18, 12, and it's off of the graph that we have loaded here, but that's okay. We usually try to get our students to graph about 3 or 4 points so that they can show what type of line that this is going to create, and this is going to create a linear graph.